What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery for this Chevy Cruze remote key fob. This Chevrolet Cruze key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and flip my key blade out. Then I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. So what I like to do is in that space where the blade flipped out of, just get a couple fingers in there like that. And then on the bottom, put my thumb down here like this and just peel that cover back. Now we can see our battery right here. And you may be able to just get your fingernail on the side of the battery and kind of pop it out of there. It doesn't take too much. But what I like to do is just grab a flathead screwdriver and get beside that battery like that. Once we get our old battery out, we can grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And taking a look at this battery holder, you can see on this side, there's that little bit of like a flat plastic piece. That's the side I want to tuck my battery in first, so tuck that edge in like that, and then it'll snap down in that holder. Then we can snap our back cover on, put our key blade down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.